Are you looking for a professional business address without the cost of a physical office? Opus Virtual Offices offers a virtual business address service that promises convenience, credibility, and flexibility, but does it deliver? Let's dive into my experience. Opus Virtual Offices provides businesses with a real street address you can use for mail, legal registration, and client communications. Unlike a P.O. box, this address gives your business a professional appearance, which is particularly useful for startups, freelancers, and small businesses. Most people get this wrong. A virtual address is just for receiving mail. Opus also offers mail scanning, forwarding, and notifications, so you can manage everything online without ever visiting the office. You'll get updates whenever new mail arrives, and you can choose to have documents scanned and emailed to you or physically forwarded to any location. Setup is straightforward. You can sign up online, choose a location from their available cities, and complete the verification process. Once verified, you can start using the address immediately for business registration, marketing materials, and client correspondence. Opus also offers additional services like meeting room bookings and co-working space access if you occasionally need a physical location. This flexibility makes it more than just a mailing service, it's a hybrid solution for growing businesses. Pricing is competitive. You pay a monthly fee that varies by location, and add-on services like mail forwarding or meeting rooms are optional. Compared to renting office space, this is extremely cost-effective. In conclusion, Opus Virtual Offices is an excellent option if you want a professional business address without the overhead of a physical office. It's especially useful for startups, remote businesses, and freelancers who want credibility and convenience. The ability to manage mail online, access additional services, and maintain a professional presence makes this a smart choice. Subscribe for more reviews of business tools and services that can save you time and money.